Today we have come to Rachanahalli in North Bangalore to visit two main attractions, the Model Village and Rachanahalli Lake Park. We begin with the Model Village, which is a 10 minutes drive from the Manyata Tech Park. The Model Village was created to give people a glimpse of the lifestyle of rural Karnataka. The entry fees for the Model Village are Rs 50 for adults and Rs 25 for kids. Starting from the entrance, you can see life-size figures of rural people in traditional attire, giving a sneak peek to the things to come. It is a perfect place for a day out with family. Kids will definitely enjoy the exhibition of rural life, which is hard to find in the concrete jungles of Bangalore. Here you will find beautiful example of architecture of houses in rural Karnataka. What really amazed us was the level of details that was on display, be it the village grocery store or the tailor's shop. Looking at the tutor teaching the kids at the Brahmin's house, it was difficult to believe that they were just mannequins. The house of the newly wedded couple caught our attention. The scene showed a happy household surrounding a newly married couple. The mischievous smiles, the shy looks, so beautifully depicted in front of us. These cows look so real, don't they? Cows are an integral part of village life, and they have rightly been depicted in this model village. The little one is enjoying a nice bath here. Here we can see the courtyard of a traditional village house. At the center of the courtyard, a grandmother is seen giving an oil massage to a newborn baby. Exhibits such as these are hard to imagine for people living in the city. Urban people never come across such crude machineries. These are surely a treat for the eyes. Handicrafts and hand-woven objects are a major driver of the rural economy. They have also found a place in this exhibition. Next in the exhibition are the barber's shop, the carpenter's workshop, and the blacksmith's workshop. All throughout the exhibition, we kept discussing about the amount of effort that the exhibitors have taken to create such a beautiful show with minute details so that people of all ages can enjoy. Take a look at this classroom. Can you compare it to any school in Bangalore? When we looked at this scene showing village kids playing, we felt bad for the kids in the cities as they hardly get any opportunity to enjoy outdoors. This will definitely remind the parents and all adults about their own childhood. The exhibit on rural farming spread over a vast area shows minute details of rural farming life, bullock pulled plows, farmers market, cattle fair, etc. A large hall showcasing the traditional musical forms is the real showstopper. We could identify the traditional Indian musical instruments such as flute, drums, harmonium, and many others. The final exhibit on display was the Kambala Buffalo Race. The annual buffalo race of Karnataka is famous globally. It was rightly the most majestic exhibit to end the show. We thoroughly enjoyed the exhibition that took us more than an hour to cover. We learnt a lot about rural Karnataka. We would definitely recommend a visit to the model village to everyone. Let us know in comments below if you also enjoyed the tour. Now let's go and check the Rachanahalli Lake Park. The Rachanahalli Lake Park is a sprawling park next to Rachanahalli Lake in Jakkud area and is adjacent to the model village. The park has well manicured lawns with flower gardens and sitting areas. Standing at the lake's edge, we could see the Mannata Tech Park at a distance. This park is a perfect place for a morning walk, jogging, or a short outing with your family. The park also has a kids' play area and an open-air gym. Hope you enjoy this beautiful piece of nature in North Bangalore.